Yeah, greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. You know, see, I man, I gotta show you um a personal experience I man have with Bounty Killer, see, which give reason and rise for I and I disgust when me and some people talk certain way about the general. See, now when I say personal, it mean in a way where it happened close to me and it touched me. You get me? It's not basically mean person who receive the generosity from the general, but the people who I know close to me. So when I say, you see the first saga to the east, the first saga to the east keeper ROCKFORT, out of the edge of ROCKFORT, a cement company. Cement company put up a new field out there and things like that. Seeing nice little settings. See? And the general get it. I remember how much a role we play in him accessing and getting the venue. But we know say him get it. See? And I suppose to the last stage show that keep him there. So, you see? Alright. You don't know now. To the whole relevance and the whole thing, you don't know say the general goes a boop and give a certain role for play. You know see it. You don't know. As local youth and thing like that. Whether a buckle we are pick up or not. We don't go into that. You know see. But general give a little hustling now can, you know see it, probably see a benefit in the long run. You know see it. No, it wasn't no cash agreement. I know that 100%. You know see it. Cash might have flow, but you don't know. From the general population of the organization, it wasn't like a direct intent for benefit from the event monetarily. You get what I say? Yeah. So a youth from East Kingston, Cool Runnings youth, play football and things like that. You know see, you don't know things that jump the fence and come in. A youth named STEPPA, R.I.P. STEPPA, and you don't know. Enough respect to your daughter. I hope she big up and healthy and strong. You know see? Big respect to your memory too. It was a sad event. You know see, because that eclipsed the whole thing the night. Even though the show never done still, but it bring a sad cloud on the whole thing. Seeing you jump the fence and a trigger happy police see him and jump the fence, shoot him and kill him. You know see it. He don't know the dog keep him thing, you jump the fence and come in. The dog, the general event, general could always step in. I feel him thing, you know see it. He done a big man, him a deal in another place and a boy him a deal. See? But him still reach out. You know see it for know what go on. Show some interest in the youth health and strength what go on with him and thing, find out so the youth dead and thing like that. You know see it. And it hurt the general, you know see. So you know, so the man full of compassion. It's because regardless of going like me, I say, him could always step away and angle in business because just so a business are going never tell a man to jump the fence and come in. And nobody could have did blame him for that really, because I don't feel him fault. You know see, the policeman would do it. I don't think him did it on Bounty behalf of such. I think it was just a regular police patrol type of thing. You know me I say crowd concern, so police are going to draw near. You know see. And the youth get gunshot and dead, good youth. You know see. Bounty bury him, man. You know see. Bounty take up him own money out of his pocket and bury the youth, bury STEPPA himself. You know see. And also STEPPA daughter, me not can say how long Bounty send her to school for. But me know for a couple years straight. While we up on the ground, a Bounty a send her to school straight. You know see. And them thing they are not something. I mean no East far, Bounty not related to East of such, except so well then we can share same experience type of thing. You know see. Him have a great commitment and a dedication to East of such like an emotional connection. But for show you the gravity of the man compassion to poor people. You know see, that's the man still look back and say, even though the man I jump the fence to come in at the place, me and Bridget where we are jump going to dance already and the promoter catch him and beat him and almost kill him. You know, see it, and everybody just look on it like say, should not try jump going at a man place. You understand what I mean? I say like it's an acceptable type of repercussion if you don't see it. So yeah, man, the general deal with it on a level where, you know, I say unbelievable. You know, see, remarkable by a lot of people standard when it come on to charity and how them deal with it. You know, see it. So even right now when I see the general hospital and certain public event that offer charity and assistance to people and camera and them thing that them you then do that. Me know you see say him there, him not comfortable. You can see say him not comfortable under the settings with the camera there. When him dep on stage and places like that and the man a reason, when him dep on sting and him a perform. But you can see him element like, you know, he's like a shy youth. You know what I say? Him like him there, no, him just want to do what he do, him just want to do what him do and cut. You see, him you can definitely see say him now and do it for the publicity where it can bring the attention, where it can benefit the benefit when it can get from the attention. You know, see, me I tell you that because them days of me I tell you about, you never used to have them only for social media business that we go try get hype off and them thing. You know, see, that are just general compassion where most man lacquer. You know, see, most artists, not the business are some artists when I say I talk about themselves, them in it for. You know, see, because when you look on it now, you know, when you have an artist or boss artists will grow bigger than them, more than one artist, you know, see, more than one time. You know, the artists, they not have no fear for see other people grow. Him not have no fear for other people get bigger than him. My artists, they not have no bad mind in them rasta. You know, see, because if you do it one time, you can say it's a mistake, but you do it 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. You know, see, because if you look on it, you see the whole of Gaza, is a offshoot of Bounty Alliance, you know. You know, see, you never used to have no organized um, entertainment package before Alliance, really. Well, you used to have like TOK, them and them, but them was like a group, a mere group. You understand? We have a certain function in a genre, you know, see, like a certain melody, you know, see, Bounty Killer have all different melody in a fit him um, crew, you know, see, and then you see when him the develop theme thing. I see, I just him learn it, I just the teacher learn it, you know, see. Big up the Gaza Nation and thing like that, you know, see it. So again, a whole heap of thing come from this. My father, one man, me say, come from this way. My father just keep film thing to film himself. And him know why him do it. Him can't deny say that him do because it's open and apparent. You see what I say? But yeah, man, we have to give credence to where credence is due. Those in our society who benefit society unselfishly. You know, see, I saw we will inspire more people like them that to come out and do things. Enough people say Jamaica people ungrateful and things like that. I make you think them say so because they don't know we have this tendency where we just remember what go on. We only know about what we want to go on. We don't really remember about what go on. You understand what I say? You know, see, so at them, you don't know, at them level of man, depend with them thing, man, not jumping a thing and rate it. This wasn't about really and truly, you know, man, war or nothing like that. You get what I say? My argument was about the political dub play them and the fact so well then a man justify say Bounty Killer is, you know, man a desperate Bounty Killer. You know, see, in justification of his actions. You see what I say? So if I think I make the world know what we know from a personal perspective, because as we know, the general is not a vocal man like that. We are going to jump on them things. You know, see, if you have something where you like, though, yeah, you will not gonna see it as anything else than just a joy, a hobby, and that is charity. When it comes to Bounty, it's a hobby. You know, see, him not say nothing else tonight. It a man that not see no promotion in a charity. The man there hobby. Some more bless, share, like, and subscribe. Take a page out of Bounty Killer book. You know, see it. And you don't know. keep in touch and try keep it as modernized and as, exciting as possible. But you don't know right now, I set up a system where when time I bust that pound on now. Proud. You don't see it. Rastafari.